you, ShipOwner. We have different flags within Europe. We have these, G's, F's, Italy, then Spain, then Madeira, Malta, Cyprus, Greece. Then we also have Belgium, Dutch. Now, this is just a little sample of what we have within Europe. But if an officer from one of these countries really gets the endorsement of the Codice Fiscale, or gets also the other countries' verification of certificates, becomes very, very complicated, because you see, Europe has been looking to the east. You know, I don't know why. Who is in charge of this watch-keeping European flag endorsements of worldwide certificates? But you see, let me teach you. Now, if you look east, you must look west. You see, unless you have a collision, you know, you have to avoid collision, the ship owner. Now, what flag do we choose? Because we had a lot of European officers going to Asia and Qatar for the gas, for the LNG and tanker, and so they are not so happy now going those areas. Now could be an opportunity to have the crew local, give them social security, and really have this talent retention, so the companies can grow and have future managers, leaders, CEOs, vice presidents, and the fleet managers, superintendents, and so on, instead of from the east. You know, oh well, let's have them here in Europe. Now, if this is your situation, dear ship owner, because you have a tank, bunker, LNG, chemical, LPG, container, tug, all kinds of general cargo ships, heavy ships, and drills, platforms, and so on. You're thinking, I'm looking west now. Yeah, you see, don't wait the countries do something for you, because this is just stones. These maritime European administrations are stones. They cannot have just one training system for all. They cannot have one zero tax system for all. To invest in our own strategic maritime sector and then expand the direct, indirect jobs, 4 million direct, that equals 44 indirect, total 48, is it true? Yes. Then 48 million perpetual, yeah, and then have this industry set up here in Europe and clarified in zero tax, social security, and this so complicated and every different social security systems. But if you do have this issue that, so many directions, but no one is looking to the west and no one is looking to your feet, yeah, invest in European crew today, dear ship owner, because, yeah, Madeira can say there are no European seafarers. Yeah, well, yes, there are, but you need to have really a partner that has a huge database and really thinks it is possible today, because many don't want to go to Qatar and Emirates and to Asia. Many just want to be here. Many want social security, and many solutions we can find, and many flags are just like impossible to crew manage. But if you do have this partner, Candina, here for 126 years defending the interest of the ship owner first, not where my pyramid is. And if you're looking west, east, yes, but if you're looking for the interest of your company, contact us now urgently, because you're going to have a huge shortage now, or you're going to have a huge supply. Thank you. Bye.